Good morning, students. I am Advaith A J, your biology teacher. Today we can start our seventh chapter in our science textbook, Conservation of Plants and Animals. What do you know about conservation of plants and animals? No, nothing. Conservation of plants and animals means protecting the plants and animals. Deforestation and its causes. Deforestation increases the temperature and pollution level on the earth. It increases the level of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Groundwater level also get lower. They know that deforestation disturbs the balance in nature. Okay, understand? Moreover, there will be increased chances in the natural calamities such as floods and droughts. Deforestation is a major cause which leads to the change in soil properties. Physical properties of the soil get affected by plants and vegetation. The soil has less humus and it is less fertile. Gradually, the fertile land converts into desert. This process is called desertification. What? Desertification. Deforestation also leads to decrease in the water holding capacity of the soil. Conservation of forests and wildlife. To protect our flora and fauna and their habitats, protected the area. Wildlife sanctuaries, national parks and biosphere reserves have been marked plantation, cultivation, grazing, felling trees, hunting and poaching are prohibited there. Mm, Biosphere reserve. Large area of protected lands for of conservation of wildlife, plant and animal resource and traditional life of tribal living in the area is called biosphere reserve. So we can ask questions. What is consequences of deforestation? Abhinav. Yes. Yes. Okay, sit. You're right. Okay. Mm. What is the certifications? Manu, stand up. Yes, sit down. Okay, you're right. So, what is biosphere reserve, Prabha? Yes. Yes, you can. Come on. Yes. Yes, you're right. Sit down. Okay. Now we, all of you understand? So now we can move to other part. Flora and fauna. The plants and animals found in a particular area are termed flora and fauna, respectively of that area. Okay? Understand? Okay. Now endemic species. Endemic species are those species of plants and animals which are found exclusively in a particular area. They are not naturally found anywhere else. A particular type of animal or plant may be endemic to a zone, a state, or a country. Okay? So, wildlife sanctuaries now. Okay? Wildlife sanctuaries like reserve forests provide protection and suitable living conditions to wild animals. Okay? Now, again, we can ask questions. What is flora and fauna? Annie. Yes. Yes, you can. You can. Yes, tell. Yes. Yes, you are right. Sit down. Yes. Down. What is endemic species Althimpi? Yes. Yes, you are right. Sit down. What is wildlife sanctuaries? Pooja. No. No, Pooja, it's wrong. No problem. I will explain it once more. Wildlife sanctuaries like reserve forests provide protection and suitable living condition to wildlife. Understand? Okay, okay. Now, what do you know about endangered animals? Yes, tell. No. Animals whose numbers are diminishing to a level that they might face extinction are known as the endangered animals. Okay? Now, ecosystem. That you already know ecosystem what is. An ecosystem is made of all the plant, animal, and microorganisms in an area, along with non-living components such as climate, soil, river, deltas, etc. Okay? Understand? Yes. If you don't understand, no, you can tell it. It's no problem for that. Now, the important thing. Red data book. Okay? Do you hear about the word red data book? No? Anyone? Oh, I can explain it to you. No problem. Red Data Book is the source of book which keeps a record of all the endangered animals and plants. Red Data Book is maintained internationally by an organization. India also maintains Red Data Book for plants and animals found in India. Now do you understand? No, it is a book that the name is written of endangered animals and the which is going to extend. So all countries are having a red data book. Okay, do you understand? Okay, yes. Now the portion is going to be over. Now I can ask you questions. What do you know about endangered animals? Shabari. What do you know? Yes. Yes. Okay, right. Sit down. Okay. A simple question. What is an ecosystem? Shivodaya. No, Akhil Babu. Tell. Yes. Yes. Correct. Sit down. Now we can discuss about migration. I think you have heard about migration, migratory birds. Huh? You have used with these words, no? Migratory birds. Migratory birds fly to far away areas every year during a particular time because of climatic changes. They fly for laying eggs as the weather in their natural habitat becomes very cold and inhospitable. Birds who cover long distance to reach other land are known as migratory birds. As per okay, migratory birds. You mark it as important. It will be one question in the exam. Okay. Now recycling of paper. A paper can be recycled 5 to 7 times for a use. If each student saves at least one sheet of paper in a day, we can save many trees in a year. We should save, reuse used papers and recycle it. By this, we not only save trees but also saves energy and water. You used to play with paper boards like paper airplane. Okay, so you want to reuse that paper and don't do like that. Don't tear paper unnecessary from your notebooks. Okay, reforestation. It is also an important point in this chapter. Okay, reforestation. Reforestation is restocking of the destroyed forest by planting new trees. Here is many things, but this is the main point that you want to study. Okay. Reforestation is restocking of the destroyed forest by planting new trees. Okay. Now I will ask you questions. What is red data book, Akash? Oh yes, you can. Yes, tell. Yes. Okay, sit down, Akash. Very good. What is reforestation? Shivodaya. Yes. Correct. Okay, good. Sit down. So, this chapter is over. I will ask you questions, and you want to study well this chapter. Next class, I will ask you questions. Okay.